Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile, but you can't seem to find it on the Google Play Store for OPPO Find X5 Lite. So let's open up our Google Play Store and try finding the game. As you can see, there's no real results that we're looking for. So to fix this, go back, click on your profile picture, navigate to the settings, reveal family, parental controls, and right here either disable parental controls entirely or go for apps and games, enter your PIN code, click on OK and increase PG to at least 16. Make sure to save the settings afterwards, and now if you go back and try to find the game, it should be right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.